Hello there. My name is Shravya Yedumala, and today I'll be presenting my applied research project titled Mobile Learning Application for Professional Certification. This project explores how mobile-based platforms can transform professional development and certification training. Mobile learning applications for professional certification provide flexibility and accessibility that today's professionals need. They enable learning on the go, support self-paced study, and fit into even the busiest schedules. In this presentation, I'll share a project summary that proposes using mobile learning as a complementary tool for professional qualifications. The main aim of this project is to design and evaluate a mobile learning application tailored for professional certification. The objectives are threefold: to deliver structured and high-quality content, to ensure usability and accessibility while maintaining strong pedagogy, and to provide multimedia-rich, adaptive learning pathways that engage diverse learners. This project has significant potential. The application supports just-in-time and personalized learning, breaking away from one-size-fits-all approaches. It removes logistical barriers such as location and scheduling conflicts in traditional training. Most importantly, by being mobile-first, it encourages continuous professional development that learners can access anytime and anywhere. To build the app, I drew from several key resources. Educational frameworks guided the instructional design, while human factors principles ensured usability. Adaptive design was incorporated so the app works seamlessly across multiple devices. Finally, tools for tracking progress and user engagement were integrated to monitor learning outcomes effectively. The development process was designed to be certification-specific. The app integrated multimedia content and assessment tools to support different learning styles. Throughout, I emphasized human-centered design and alignment with pedagogy, ensuring that the app was not just functional but also educationally effective. Pilot studies demonstrated strong engagement and positive feedback from users. The app successfully removed key learning barriers and helped improve self-regulation among learners. Its functionality also supported a wide range of certification workflows securely, showing that it could be adapted for various industries and training contexts. The implications of this project are promising. Users appreciated the app for its convenience and efficiency, with many adopting it as an alternative to traditional learning formats. Beyond that, it encourages self-directed, lifelong professional learning, which is increasingly important in today's fast-changing job market. To summarize, mobile learning provides a scalable, adaptable, and accessible approach to certification programs. It fosters collaboration between industry and educators while also creating the infrastructure for lifelong learning and upskilling. Based on this project, I recommend expanding mobile learning into new industries and certifications, enhancing personalization through AI and analytics, and strengthening collaboration between educational institutions and technology developers. Finally, here are the scholarly resources I used to support this project. They cover mobile learning, blended education, professional development, and evaluation frameworks. These references provided the academic foundation for my design and analysis, ensuring that the project was grounded in research and best practices.